Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to completely disable notifications on the Line app on your phone. If you're tired of constant alerts and want a quieter experience while using Line, first, open the Line app on your phone. Next, look at the top right corner of the app and tap on the settings icon. Then, from the menu, select Notifications to access all notification options. After that, turn off the Notifications toggle to stop the basic alerts. Next, click on Notification Settings for more detailed control. Finally, turn off the Allow Notification option to fully disable all notifications from the app. By following these steps, you can successfully stop all notifications from the Line app. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.